2 X-ray, hold the air. He's got a gun. More units.
Drop
the gun! Hey, drop the gun, man, please! Please drop the gun!
That gun, man!
Please drop it! Please drop the gun, dude, please! Drop the gun, man, please! Please do not make me shoot you!
Dude, I swear to God, drop
please
the
do not make me shoot you! Don't, please, man! Drop it! Drop it, dude! Dude, I gotta shoot him, bro! Drop it, dude!
Shoot him, God.
Now 2 X-ray 998.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop it, dude!
After the man was shot, he continued to hold on to the gun, and officers repeatedly told him to throw the gun away. The man refused to comply.
Drop it! Drop it!
The gun!
Drop it! Drop it!
Gun, God damn it!
Drop the gun, dude! Come on, don't make me shoot you again! Drop it!
As additional officers arrived on scene, they used a stun bag and baton rounds to get the man away from the gun.
Hey, stun bag! Stun bag!
Drop the gun!
Stun bag! Stun bag!
Still got it!
Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun!
Still got that gun in his hand! You got it! You still got it! Drop the gun!
Speed intersection shut down. Line vehicles around 23rd Street.
You still got that gun in his hand! You got it! You still got it! Drop the gun! Come by.
Move away from the gun!
Start crawling away from it!
Hey, dude, get away from the gun, man.
Copy that. We're going to initiate the dog deployment now.
Copy, initiating dog deployment.
'73 King. The dog is latched on. He's displaced the male to the right a little bit. We don't see any other weapons. I'm going to have a move team from the north move up.
Go ahead and move. Good.